Hi everyone, it's Fatman from Kentucky. I was in the shop today and I found this little gorgeous beverage or cocktail called Espresso Martini, which is ready to drink. And I was curious to try because I make a delicious Espresso Martini myself. And I'm thinking like, is it really worth buying this over making the own one? So let's have a look and let's give it a taste test. All right, so let's go. So now we're going to start with the original one. We'll take our shaker. We'll add 60 ml of vodka, which is 2 ounces. We'll take 25 ml of Kahlua, sorry, Tia Maria, but if you have Kahlua, you're more than welcome to use Kahlua. We'll add 10 ml of sugar syrup, just a splash, just to give that sweetness. And we'll add freshly brewed espresso straight away, 30 ml. We will add ice. And the key is to shake it extremely hard until the foam is formed. Release the pressure. And strain it straight away into a chilled glass. Garnish it with 3 coffee beans. Okay, this is specimen number 1, the original one. We made the original one. Now we're going to move to the store Espresso Martini. It says in the instruction that we just need to pour it into the shaker, shake it with ice and garnish it with coffee beans. So let's give it a try. Smells good actually. So we're going to put 90 ml. Into the shaker. Add ice. And do the same procedure as we did with the first specimen. Take our glass and strain it in. Garnish with 3 beans. So there we have it. The store-bought and the original homemade espresso martinis. Let's give it a taste test. Before I try them, please like and subscribe my channel, right? So I'm gonna be motivated to film more. Let's go. So let's start with the first specimen that I made myself. Ooh, rich, sweet, strong. Oh, never disappoints. So good. Now try this one, the store-bought. It looks darker, a bit foamier. Smells really similar to mine. It definitely looks better than mine in terms of color. I'm going to admit that, but taste is not near the same. The original one that I made, it tastes richer. It's actually more pleasant and velvety. Although this one looks like it should be more velvety, but it's not. Strange. But to be honest, I'm not gonna say that this isn't bad. 100%, I wouldn't call it bad. It's definitely all right. I would drink this one. And if you're lazy, kind of like me, you can definitely buy it. I would definitely recommend. I'm not going to be saying that this is a bad thing, bad choice. For £10 or like $12 to $13, you get a decent espresso martini. Let's compare it again with the mine that I made myself. And mine tastes richer. Also, I just want to add that in the recipe they mentioned that this cocktail has a dash of rum. In the original one, I never saw rum in the cocktail, and also they say that there's a hint of chocolate as well, which is strange. I mean, it has this interesting smell as well. Chemically, really chemical. It's definitely drinkable, once again I want to say. But don't be lazy and just get yourself a proper espresso martini. And we've been watching the cocktails for like good 10 minutes and the foam still remains the same, so I don't know what they added there, while my phone has disappeared. So what I want to say as well, that it could be that my phone is not as thick as it should be because I use Tia Maria instead of Kahlua. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'm going to agree that presentation wise, the store-bought cocktail looks much better than the homemade. But homemade tastes 100%, 1,000 times better. I gave it to my wife as well to try, and she said yes, 100% tastes better, but she wasn't happy about this one. So try it yourself and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. You're Fat Man.